declare a state of emergency and go back to the.
So I'm on Kwaba from Ghana and CMTV. So I'm just so any promise the blogger. Galamsey. Yentian somewhere NDC at the 12 year. My brother no position. Any in some can say we are state of emergency when declare no. The rest of the argument when any of them are beside in Sambia to ja. They are showing us the video no and so they are. See the can share some kind of position. And in some way see our mocha. Here we are. The best second video no so at the account.
The people of Ghana elected him. He is currently the president of Ghana. And it is his responsibility to deal with Galamsey now. I know that after 7 January 2025, when Ghanaians have voted for me, I will take that responsibility.
Emergency. Yes, we have to declare a state of emergency and go back to the drawing table. We know what the problem is.
A few moments later.
On calls for a state of emergency over Galamsey, the president dismissed the suggestion, saying it was not necessary at this stage.
I've been reluctant to implement a state of emergency in the Galamsey fight because implementing a state of emergency might sound nice, but it should be the last resort.
This is when they were in opposition. I was part of those leading the charge on the Galamsey fight. We called out the president. They talked about the state of emergency. Mr. President, you must live by your word. You cannot speak poetry in opposition and come and act prose when you are president.
Say with time, the true colors of this NDC will be known. I think today we've all seen them. John Dramani Mahama ada Galamsey for nengo tie nsem a ode to dwa no so mba na wi a na ya kire adwen so ewo eno ho.
Mo hyehyɛ bɔ akɛseɛ mo ba mu ni so enye ndi isi aban ne kugina Galamsey fo so eka kire mo so mo nto abane ma no no omba omehwe ama omaye omadwuma afei mo ba betena kunya nso ndi wan yi akora mo di tu ne etrete mo se mo kwakukum mo do mo nya nipa ta abo no hye fidie mu a ni sunku ija no nso a ni sunku o ba ka so ba be wo Galamsey fo tu a kometo abane ma enfom so wo bia ho se nya kwan pa so no mo fa so de ye omadwuma na ane se ye ka se ye bubotu na ye de mra no eye adwuma de a ane from A to Z e be chi obia ane nke bebo obia so tu aba adwuma ye fo nyina nke bebo mu tu koso bia so wona enso ben Bible se hwe watini ni bia nu ho asase su a woye papanko na wonya bone ene ka mutwitu a police wo mugina kwa mu jeje do afo sika munkuku mu teacher ni a ya yi se kire nkora de eduru exam time no wagye ni sika na watwera ma no na akora na twa akora be wie suku na wabon a woni hwe asoma soja fo se wo munko Galamsey site enkonko pam mu ono koya wakogye sika hye ni botom abesan akotena fi mutwitu nsi sa soja fo nso na wo musu munku mu na doctor ni abi ono ane private hospital kituo bi ahye one side na aban nduru na ye de bre nso wo mfa nhwe ayarefo no ye ne board no no ayi akwakugu ono ne hospital nti o man hwan na ye konkono asemasi mubo se Galamsey fo mo betu mo so sana makunkum o mo de a ane mo koma nso wasa nkuro no so ni nkuro no mo ye Galamsey na muduru kuro no so ama mo ha mo ho wura bush ekuro ni mu no mpanyimfo so etu nkura obi aye Galamsey nkum mu nyina afei mu kum mu nyina wi a 4 years ana mo 8 years no so a akwa ye campaign a kiro nsamanfo na o maka wo ho no se o mo nto abane ma mo esi ni pekum da fom sa akwa ho anti se wo kan no Bible mu se enhwie mogya edi bi mu e de na Galamsey fo aye amukushutu o mo ku o mo obetu Galamsey ase de a ane mo ase mbo no po awudie ne kro no robin be koso Galamsey areas no obi antimi ntena ho so adwuma bi ani ho adwuma bi na nipa no kwakoye obedi ewu no pisika sabio play kunya clash ni obi pe na de si nso enye obi ade be enye Galamsey fo na tubu obom e ma play ne teto fom enye Galamsey fo na de ahoma esom etwe ne to fom aye nkwanhia atore nche na ato mo ti bo sha wo share Galamsey fo se wo ba wo be mo ye adwuma no enye no na enei ba betena kunya nso omu hu ti Bible say wagya won kan do no nti kai ba bia wo firi hwi ase na sa kira wadwen enye sa mi asafo awurade meba wo so abesesa wo kan ne adu apoma sibire ajisa wasachira wadwanza o Bible ni police ni so jani bi so ti wa ye well prepared se be ma no wada se ye nko Galamsey site ni nko nkunkum mo Bible say tuatie nko na odebonefo na hwehwe na wo besoma abofo atirimodemfo am akono so ba na so benya watore nche mo kwan mu a na oni nyame akotwe na de woka so ba be ya manipa no krase wantimi anya ye metwi so tu nkunu Bible say kwa ala na wasum fidie ntakrabo nyina ni enso mese mo se ona o mogya na okọ ho adem na wote wona wonkra nipa kum nye yizo okọ nipa ne kra kwa asamando o ye panyin seme etenyem kukurumoti a kane me ye pe ka wo hye morning obi amfo obi ahụ oye police ni oye soja ni panyimu bi ma order sikokun Galamsey fu a kai hunu se Bible se nyom mo manyini pii nenim nyansa enye mpanyimfo nko ne ho atemu yusu wadwene Bible se sinti dua ne beba de nam no so beba no wonwie ko twetwe na kuku omo so munye nipa te se wa Mahama be di ade a ondi 1 year krampo onya huma bura ma prisoners for age ibi ye wadi bone kese krampo ma ya sentence ni to death no mpono o man fa ahodie Galamsey ni a wato aba ma be yo mampanyi na akobo ni tu constitution me hemfa na kire se ga obi yo Galamsey ayemo ni tu ngunu e di nipa na kekere man e di nipa na bu man akunkum mu nyina na ka wonko ana cha asase so a wo be kire bo bible se de odo atenetene no odo nimdie and they won't pay any can or yaboa Kasachra upa fa upa jai ninka so
and nobody make them say we come after you. We'll shoot you and we'll kill you because and also and you go for day and we
in turning that na baby shiao abra war power so be kaya abra John Dramani Mahama e position no o can say oba yusu artificial intelligence e dey fight Galamsey and so no oba ye no enya sa na ekoso John Dramani Mahama ka so ndi ohunya nsan bi e wom say e be share excavators na e ma soldiers for akọ tiegu boys on ye Galamsey no so na emom no Galamsey kingpins no om didi mweku you know I'm kind of saying what like the main people now will lead the conversation no omo concessions ni omo dia no omo di mu etintiman no yes sane kan we tree ni the woman ebusun ba na dia chere we dia cheme we tree ni o the training time ba but for na I style bi omo mu di mu etintiman no those are the people that obe go after but then what are we seeing and then no the boss shall share yes over fighting the Galamsey no what are we seeing? Are they really fighting the Galamsey? Are they really fighting the Galamsey? Did they lie to us? Do you think like what you say? Is this what they promised us? Is this what they promised us? Do you think if this is what they told Ghanaians, they would have voted for them? These are the questions Ghanaians are asking. These are the questions Ghanaians are asking. Now they are saying, say, I'm the small scale miners, Galamsey for ya, and how much should I Galamsey? I'm going to call Australia. Nah, I'm going to call Australia. I'm going to how to do responsible mining. Ay3k3. Another way to send their party supporters outside of the country. I'm telling you, doesn't make any sense one bit. So they make call for a call. No matter kusunya, send a Galamsey. Papa Galamsey. I won't send you and send us. No one say a forest. That was Australia. What happened to Takwa School of Mines? Takwa School of Mines now no. They didn't see it. This one moment they say nipa, moment man nipa they was saying the Galamsey and as responsible mining now. Then what's the essence of building the Takwa School of Mines University no? Takwa University of Mines. They didn't see it. Another way to steal our money. Another way to steal our money. And that's what you people are doing. I'm telling you. That's what you people are doing. Ebusuya Ghana and TV, my own adventure on Galamsey issues. And some of them this to the opposition, any of them. Do you think they are failed the fight against Galamsey? So this say they are failed that my own comment section anymore. Who did you say? I'm failure and they are still making progress in so in one comment section. I'm just so you promise the program. Ay3k3 and TV. The better was to go see now.